On January 21st, 2025, the cosmos presents a rare and mesmerizing event, a planetary alignment featuring 6 of our solar system's planets. This celestial event, often referred to as a planet parade, is a phenomenon where multiple planets appear to line up in the sky from our vantage point on Earth. This planet parade is a must-see for enthusiasts and casual observers alike. Imagine standing under a clear night sky, with the planets aligned in a row, creating a breathtaking spectacle that connects us to the vast universe. And casual observers alike. Whether you're an avid astronomer or someone who simply enjoys the beauty of the night sky, this event offers a unique opportunity to witness the grandeur of our solar system. Shortly after sunset, between 5 p.m. and 9 p.m. local time, the alignment will be most visible. As the sun dips below the horizon, the planets will begin to reveal themselves, one by one, against the darkening sky. Look towards the sky to witness Mars, Jupiter, Venus, and Saturn shining brightly, visible to the naked eye. These planets will be the most prominent, their brilliance outshining the stars around them. And Saturn shining brightly, visible to the naked eye. Their distinct colors and brightness will make them easy to spot, even for those new to stargazing. For a closer look at Uranus and Neptune, a telescope or high-powered binoculars will enhance your experience. These distant giants, though not as bright, offer a fascinating glimpse into the outer reaches of our solar system. A telescope or high-powered binoculars will enhance your experience. Observing these planets through a telescope can reveal their unique features, such as Uranus's blue-green hue and Neptune's deep blue color. To fully appreciate this celestial alignment, find a location with minimal light pollution. Urban areas with their bright lights can obscure the view, so it's best to head to a rural area or a designated dark sky park. Find a location with minimal light pollution. The darker the sky, the more vivid the planets will appear, making the alignment even more spectacular. Utilizing sky map applications can assist in pinpointing each planet's position, ensuring you don't miss any part of this spectacle. These apps can guide you to the exact location of each planet, making your stargazing experience more rewarding. Each planet's position, ensuring you don't miss any part of this spectacle. With the help of technology, even beginners can easily identify the planets and enjoy the alignment to its fullest. Beyond its visual appeal, this alignment holds astrological significance, particularly for water signs, enhancing intuitive and sensitive energies during this period. Astrologers believe that such alignments can influence our emotions and intuition, making it a powerful time for reflection and personal growth, particularly for water signs, enhancing intuitive and sensitive energies during this period. If you are a Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces, you might feel a stronger connection to the universe and a heightened sense of intuition during this alignment. Mark your calendars for this extraordinary event, as the next similar alignment won't occur until 2040. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to witness a cosmic event that won't be seen again for many years. As the next similar alignment won't occur until 2040. Such events remind us of the vastness of our universe and our place within it. Don't miss this chance to connect with the cosmos. Take a moment to step outside, look up, and marvel at the wonders of our solar system. Subscribe to our channel WizCosmos for more updates on celestial events and stargazing tips. Stay informed about upcoming astronomical events and learn how to make the most of your stargazing experiences on celestial events and stargazing tips. Join our community of star enthusiasts and never miss a moment of the magic that the night sky has to offer.